we have to subtract 5.508 from 12.3. So first we have to write the numbers in the vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. So we have from 12.3, we have to subtract 5, decimal point we have to keep in the same column, 508. To underline everything. And now in the first number we have 1 decimal place, in the second 3. So we have to add 2 zeros to the first number to have the same decimal places. And now how we subtract? We have to use the same rule like for subtraction whole numbers. So we start from the last column and we are going to the left. And what else? In my opinion, is very easy when we have first check if on the top we have number greater than on the bottom. So first we have 0 and 8, so 8 is greater, so we need to do borrowing, but we have 0 next. So in my opinion it will be easier if we now trick this, we add next digits, so we have like 13. From 13 we borrow 1. 30 minus 1 is 29 we have now on the top. And we don't have this 3 and 0. And we borrow 1 to our last digits, so we have now 10 at the end. And next we check. 9 is greater than 0, okay. 2 is less than 5. So again we have to borrow from next digits, we borrow 1, so will be 1 here now, and here will be 12. And we have 1 and 5. 1 is less than 5, so we need to borrow 1 from next digits. 1 minus 1 will be 0. And now we have here 11. When on the top we have numbers greater than on the bottom, we can do subtraction. We do like subtraction whole numbers. We start from the last column. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 12 minus 5 is 7. We keep decimal point in the same column. 11 minus 5 is 6, and we have 0 minus 0 is 0, we don't have to write. So now we can always check. We have 6.792 plus 5.508. How we add decimal numbers? We start from the last column. 2 plus 8 is 10, so we have 0 and 1, we take to next column. 1 plus 9 is 10, so we have 0 and 1, we take to next column. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 5 is 13, so we have 3. We copy decimal point in the third column and we add 1 to next column. So we have 12, so we have 2 and we add next 1 to next column. And we don't have here anything, so it's like 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. We got 12.300. So we don't need the zeros at the end, so we got exactly the same what we have at the beginning, 12.3. From this number we have to subtract 5.508. So everything is correct, because we check when we add our solution to 5.508, we got our number which we have at the beginning. So this is my solution.